If you're looking for a copy-paste method to generate $1,000 or more a day on PayPal like clockwork, this video is for you. What I'm gonna do is hop on my computer and reveal every single step of this easy and simple strategy so anyone can start to generate income. Okay, so I'm inside my PayPal account right now, and you can see that money in, I've been able to collect $4,416.10 within the last 7 days. Now I have other accounts such as my Stripe account that I'm also making money with this exact method. So you will be able to make 1,000 or more a day on PayPal, Stripe, MoneyGram, however you want to collect the money with this simple method. What are the steps that we'll take to actually do this, to actually accomplish these results? Well, in order to do this method, you're gonna need a Facebook profile, okay? Most people have a Facebook profile. If you don't have one, you can create one, incredibly easy. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna promote an affiliate offer to make commissions. Now, if you've tried to promote a product online in the past, maybe you've struggled, this method is gonna be working for you because it's very easy and it's the exact method myself and people from all over the world have been using. Now, the reason we wanna promote an offer is when we promote that and refer someone to actually purchase, then we're gonna earn a commission. We're gonna get credit on that sale, on that referral, and that's how we're gonna be making, $1,000 or more a day into our PayPal account. Where do you find affiliate offers to promote? There's a lot of different places. There's places like clickbank.com. You can go to jvzoo.com. If you're looking for the exact affiliate offer that I'm personally using to generate up to $2,000 commissions every single day, there's gonna be a link directly below that takes you to a free training webinar sharing with you how to set up that affiliate offer and how to plug in and stuff like that. But let's assume you have an offer that you already are wanting to promote, okay? Now, number two is what we're gonna do is post an image of proof on our Facebook profile to get people interested, okay? And again, I'm gonna share with you over the shoulder in a second exactly how to do this, how to find proof and things like that. The reason we're gonna do this is because when we promote a product to generate $1,000 or more on PayPal, basically, we want to show people that that product is working. So it doesn't matter what niche or interest or topic the affiliate offer or product is actually in, you can find proof. If it's a weight loss product, maybe it teaches people how to lose weight, you can actually find a picture of someone that has used that product, has lost weight, and you can share that on your Facebook profile, okay? You can also, if you're in the make money online niche or topic, which I'm gonna share examples on in this video because that's what I personally do, that's what most of my students do, you can share a result of someone making money, okay? And that's basically overcoming people's objections on, is this product working or not? Once you show people that it's working, they're way more likely to actually check it out and then buy it. Step number three is what we're gonna do is post images of proof on Facebook stories. Okay, if you don't know what a Facebook story is, basically it's where you can go to, if you're on the mobile app of Facebook on your phone, it's at the top, okay? You can actually view these little short videos or images that people have posted on their story, okay? It's a section of Facebook. Now, this section of Facebook is incredibly popular and gets tons of views from people. So we're gonna use that to our advantage and share proof, piquing people's interest, getting people curious about our product. We're gonna post that on Facebook stories. And again, I'm gonna share how you can easily find proof to share. Step four is as we're posting on our profile, as we're sharing proof on our Facebook story, this is gonna get people interested. This is gonna get people wondering what this is. And what we're gonna do is basically tell people to reach out to us for more information. So we're sharing proof, hey, this thing is getting these results for people. If you want more information, either comment below, okay, if it's step two, if we post on our profile, or reach out to us if it's the Facebook story. And then basically we're gonna get a funnel, a flow of all these people coming to us for more information. And then what we're gonna do is send those interested people our affiliate link. Now, because the offer that we're promoting is gonna be selling well, okay, meaning a high percentage of people see that offer and actually decide to buy, we will start to generate money, okay? And step number five is we're gonna be collecting money. So what I want to do right now is actually hop on my Facebook profile and walk you through each of these steps so you can see it in action, and you can go out there at the end of this video and start to make money in your PayPal as soon as this week. Okay, so I'm on Facebook right now, and what you have to realize is that most affiliate products that are really good that you can actually promote are gonna have Facebook groups for members, right? Or Facebook groups for the affiliates. You want to join this Facebook group. The reason being is because when you join this Facebook group, you're going to see if it's a good product and it's actually converting for people. You're going to see proof of them sharing results, sharing sales they're making, sharing money that they're making. Well, this is how we're actually going to find the proof to share on our profile and on our Facebook story. Okay, so right now I'm actually in the group of the affiliate offer that I'm personally recommending you do. The reason being is with this specific program, you can earn as much as $2,000 per referral. Okay, so if you want to make $1,000 or more per day in PayPal, then promoting a product that's going to pay you at least $1,000 a commission is going to allow you to hit that goal with just one referral. Okay, you don't need a lot of referrals. Now, I'm inside this group right now, and again, you can apply this to any affiliate offer out there. But what you want to do is you want to go down, okay, and you want to find results. Okay, these are basically people sharing they've gotten results. Now, with this specific opportunity, this specific product, what it is training, teaching people how to make money online. So the proof that I would want to share is other people making money, okay? Because when I show other people are making money with this product, other people that want to make money are going to get interested, and then we'll do the rest of the steps, okay? So basically I'm inside of the group, and this right here, okay, Nicholas, he says, I'm just getting warmed up. I was having some homemade yogurt, and then, he basically made a $2,000 sale. Okay, so what I would do, you can zoom out a little bit to get more of the post. I would just use a snipping tool, okay, very, very simple. Okay, and I can just snip this like this, okay, bam. Now that's proof, and then I would save this to my desktop or my phone, okay, whatever, right? And what I would do is I would do that and create a folder of different results. Okay, this person right here made $1,000, so I would snip this, I would copy this. Okay, this person right here, boom, $500. Okay, this person $200. So I would just snip all these people that are getting incredible results with this program. And again, there's going to be a link directly below in the description where you can find out more information on how to get access to this system, this product that we're all making money with. But basically, once you have proof, the next step is you want to basically go to your profile and make a post. Okay, now I have an example right here. Okay, so a while ago, I basically went into the group and I screenshotted a result. Okay, so this guy Sam said that he woke up to another $500 made. Okay, so that's proof that people are making money with this product. And basically what I did was I screenshotted it, okay, or I snipped it. Either way works. If you're on a mobile, you can screenshot. I snipped this, and then I made a post on Facebook with this picture, and then all I did was I made a little text post. Now, what do you write in the text on your profile? Very simple. All you want to do is kind of mention a little bit about the post, okay? So I said, another person crushing it with the Profits Passport system. Okay, that's the name of the system or product that I'm actually promoting, and with this post. And then I said, got to give a big shout out to my man Sam for generating $500 while sleeping. Okay, so again, that's what he said he did. Okay, and he mentioned it also in the group that he was sleeping while he did it. If you haven't created your account in the system, what are you waiting for? Be sure to comment info or reach out to me to get you earning these too. Remember, I said that you want to actually tell people to either reach out to you or comment for more information. So I told them to do this, okay? And that's what he did in this post. So be sure to comment info or reach out to me to get you earning these too. And again, when I did that, you can see below in the comments, people started commenting. Okay, so I posted proof. Let me zoom in. I posted proof, and then people started commenting info, how, info, okay? And then what I did was step number 4, okay? I reached out to these people, okay? And I went to message, and I sent them my affiliate link. I said, hey, I saw you just commented for more information on this product. Here's my link to check out more information. And then I just sent them my affiliate link. And again, they went to the affiliate link, they saw the proof, they saw how it worked, And because this product specifically is very good at selling people to buy, I was able to generate income. That's the first step. You want to post on your profile proof and tell people to comment for more information. The next thing you want to do is you want to go where you can post on stories. You can just go to the top to create a post, and then you basically can put it in here and then just select your story. Okay, and this will post it to your stories. So I've actually created all these proof pictures, okay? So I can, post one, let's say this one, okay, which is, again, a screenshot from the Facebook group. And then, I've already posted on the profile, so I would take off newsfeed, and then I would just post to my story, okay? And I just post that. Now you can see right here on my stories here, I've actually already done that today. Okay, so I posted people getting results. Okay, as you can see right here. And again, this is going out to all my friends. I've already had 8 viewers, 8 people on my profile seeing this, and they're getting interested. And you can see right here that I made a post. Free webinar reveals how I've made over $9,000 in 7 days on autopilot, which is true. And you can see on my Facebook profile all the proof. And then reply 2K for access. And again, what that does is that's telling people to reply. So if they reply, I will get a message, okay? And then again, the last step is with these people, okay, info, with people that reply to my story, I just send them my affiliate link, okay? And again, they go to this link, it's very high converting, people buy, and that's how I'm able to generate income. And you can see today, okay, I was able to generate $2,000. Okay, yesterday I received $2,500. The day before that I made $2,000. And it's just using this method and a few other ones that I'll reveal more on my channel. So I hope you got value in this video. If you liked this method and you want me to share more step-by-step videos, be sure to click the like button below to let me know. Also be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on my weekly videos. And last but not least, if you want access to the exact affiliate offer where you can join that group and just start screenshotting the same proof I'm doing to get results as well, go down below in the first link in the description and check that out. And I really think you're gonna like that. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.